You doing? Huh? There's baby today. It's only you. You're looking at. Yeah, you ready? Catch. Let's go see what the baby budgies are doing. I'll leave another bit here. They'll come out for it later. Come on then, lady, show me this runt.
Oh, look at that shit I got in my foot.
Look at those bloody pigeons.
Can you see?
Nah.
Go in there.
Look at them all. I don't know if I'd say they're cute. I guess they're cute. Oh, one of their eyes are open. Oh, yes, I can see the runt. There's still one egg not hatched.
Is there?
Yep, right in the middle, unless it's a bit of old eggshell, mate. I don't know. Oh, that poor baby's falling over,
Are there?
rolling around. I can count 1, 2, 4. Oh, they look like creatures off the dark night.